Hello, Mud community. I've been thinking lately about the history and traditions of the Mud campus, especially after stopping by Jay's place recently to see the new renovations to this beloved student hub. Our late night cafe is almost as old as the college itself. When the Platt Campus Center opened in 1963, students gained their first dedicated hangout. Over the decades, the basement corner evolved through several names: the snack bar, the mud hole, the little pizza place, but it has always served as a comfortable gathering place for students to relax after long days in the classroom or lab. In 2005, the space was refurbished and dedicated in memory of Jay Wolkin, class of '99, an engineering major and North Dorm proctor. Jay's life was tragically cut short in a plane crash in 1999, just weeks before he was set to graduate. As his mother, former trustee Andrea Lebron Clay, reflected at the dedication, Jay couldn't live without three things: cheese, duct tape, and humor. Nothing captures that spirit better than the New Orleans bus story. During a winter break, Jay and a group of mudders bought a used bus, outfitted the interior with couches, and set out for Mardi Gras. The bus topped out at 47 miles per hour and blew out 2 tires early on, so the group redirected their trip to Las Vegas. The effort itself, resourceful, collaborative, and joyfully chaotic, was quintessentially Jay. In addition to the gift to name Jay's place, his family endowed the Jay Wolkin 99 and Clay Family Foundation Fellowship in Engineering, which provides students opportunities to pursue basic and applied research initiatives in VLSI design. Today, as you walk into the newly renovated Jay's place, you're entering a space that celebrates a life lived with immense imagination. I encourage you to stop by, grab a slice, and appreciate the community Jay loved so much. Whether you're designing circuits or planning a 47-mile-per-hour road trip, Jay's legacy reminds us to approach every challenge with a little bit of ingenuity and a lot of heart.